Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to open Clock app. Now choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it if it's not already on. Then tap on this plus icon next to 3 dots. Finally, set up an hour at the top. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Wednesdays and Fridays. Now click on alarm name over here. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and click on done on your keyboard to save your changes. Finally, scroll down and tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them off or on. Then you can click on alarm sound, change volume of it by swiping left or right on this slider, and pick one of those sound sources, in my case ringtone. Choose allow in the pop-up, manage those two options by tapping on the switchers next to them and pick the best sound for you. I will go with sunrise. When you finished, tap on the back button. You can also go into exactly the same ringtone settings, but this time choose this plus icon at the top right corner to pick music from your smartphone. In order to disable or enable highlights, click on this blue switcher at the top. Then tap on your song and save it by choosing done at the top right corner. Now go back, click on vibration, select the best vibration pattern for you, like heartbeat. Go back one more time and tap on Snooze. Over here you can pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Finally, click on Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it. Then switch it back on the same way. In order to get rid of it though, you need to hold it, tap on delete at the bottom right corner, and now it's gone. If you wish to edit one of your current alarms, just click on the chosen one, make your changes and hit save again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!